All right, this is going to be Bye Bye Love by the Everly Brothers. We got an interesting intro here. It's going to go. Okay, so we have an A chord. We're going to go A, and then two muted hits. So that's like the up and the down. So I went down on the A, and then I make sure to mute all the strings. So what I did is I took my fingers from the A and just kind of made them not press against the, making notes, not pressing against the neck. And I kind of pulled it down where my pinky would kind of cover that bottom string too. So we got those two chicks, down, up, up. We're gonna hit that A again on that up stroke. C, D, and then. So we hit the first A on that second measure, and then we have all chicks after that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so it's 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now this next one, and this is the hardest part I think of the whole song, is this intro. So it's gonna go. Now this next measure is gonna go chick on the first one, and then 3 of those A's, up, down, up. So down, up, C to D again. Okay, so that fourth measure is just like the second, where it has an A and 2 and 3 and 4 and all chicks after that. So your whole intro, nice and slow, is. Okay, so that third measure is the interesting one. It's like chick. You got 3 A chords there. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 to the C to D again. Okay, so whole intro, 3, 4. Okay, and then we get into the chorus. Now what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna do like the vocal harmony. We're gonna play that kind of within the chord structure. So our first thing is gonna be open D, big string, with 7 and 7 underneath that. So third and second strings. So we have, we're gonna hit all 3 of those twice. That's the bye bye love, okay? So now here we're gonna hit the 6 on the third string with the 5 on the second string. So it's. And we're gonna go ahead and add the 7 to that 6 and 5 to make an A chord here. And we're gonna have a little strum with it. So it's down, up, down. Okay, and I'm not even worrying about that small 5. I'm just kind of muting that one. So down, up, down. Now this time we're gonna go 2 of those and then. So that was 6 and 5, 4 and 3 to 2s. And then the next one, we're gonna hit the D bass note first. We'll do the 7s by themselves. Do those 3 going down again. And then big 2s to middle 2s. 4 and 3. So it's. Okay, and then we're back into the chorus again. And then bass first, and then the bigger 2s. Now this time we're going to do 2 of those. Okay, kind of have a pause, a little bit of a stop, and then we're going to have the verse. Okay, so that's going to be 2 on the second string to open. 2 on the G string, so it's, and then we're gonna hit the top 3 notes, 2, 1, and open of an E chord, and then we're gonna hit that open second string again because that's where our little vocal melody goes. So, and now we're gonna hit the E chord, up, down, up, down. Okay, so up, down, up, down. Then we're gonna have second string, 2, 1, 2. So O, 2, 1, 2. We go to the full A chord. We go down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so up, down, up, down. Okay, so O, 2, 1, 2, and then A, down, up, down, up, down. Back to the other two. So that was just the same, and then that one's the same, except we're going to end on an A7, 2, 0, 2, 0. So it's O, 2, 1, 2, down, up, down, to the A7. There we go. 2 in the G. O, 2, 3 on the second string. So let's go ahead and do it that way so we can get that D chord. So we're going to hit the top, open 2 and 3 there as the chord. So 2, O, 2, chord. And then that little melody note in the second string again, that 3. So we're going to have a up, down on the D chord after that riff. So here we walk 2, 3, 4 in the second string, all the way to the E chord with that little E on the bottom is our leading note there. So 2, 3, 4, 5. And after we hit that E chord, we'll do a down, up, down, up, down. Okay, then we're getting to the end of the verse here. Little open, 3, 2, second string. Got that E, 2, 1 open again. With that open second string leading, up, down, and then open second string, 2, 1, 2, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's the A7 again. Okay, so this last part was E, A7, and that's a down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's look at this verse again. We got and then we're back to the chorus. Okay, and then we go back to the chorus because that was the first ending, the kind of short one. So and then we repeat that. Okay, and then we keep repeating that tag. They call that a tag when it's kind of the ending bit and you keep doing it again. And it fades out doing that. So once again on that intro, we got and you would have a chorus, first ending chorus, and then second ending chorus, pause, you get into the verse, you have a whole verse, you get back to a chorus, first ending, chorus, second ending, you have another verse there, and then you'll have your chorus, first ending, chorus, second ending, and then you repeat that tag. All right, bye bye love, Everly Brothers, got a page, a tab with this, check it out. Thanks a lot for watching, we'll see y'all soon.